didn't think about the possibilities of anything else in the beauty industry besides doing hair from behind a chair. And now to look at my life and like me currently packing up my home and moving forward, it's like I kind of been moody or sad, I don't know, about the situation, but it's not even nothing really to be sad about. It's just change is happening. But I remember not having direction. I remember not knowing what I wanted to do. I remember just trying stuff until it worked out, and it's worked out. It's worked out. Um it's worked out. In May 2000 is my goal for May. 2000 is my goal for May, but not the limit. Sewing services have increased, protected styles have increased. April, I met my goal of 2000. So May is going to be a great month of increase. Clarity, prosperity. I will have change. No, I'm sorry. Clarity, prosperity, change, stability. I will have everything I ask for. There is nothing I can't do. This is when I start putting 200 a month. 200 a month, 200 a month, 200, 200, 200. What are we doing? 200. I did this all the way to the end of the year. This is November. December. This is the last month of the year of being regular. My life will elevate. I am inspiring. Everything I want is coming to me. Crown Repair is making moves. Crown Repair is my hair oil. Anyways, this last note. I attract what I want in my life. I control my destiny and future. I will be a personal celebrity stylist. So I owe all of this to God. The mental, the stability, the gift. I owe all of that to God. As I'm packing up and I'm putting stuff in boxes and throwing stuff away, and like just literally all of this is from my. So I'm gonna end this by saying, figure out what it is that you want to do. Figure out the start. You don't have to know the ending. You don't know how it's going to end up. Figure out the start. Figure out what it is that you want to do. That's going to change over time, and that's okay. Figure out where you want to start. Figure out what you want to do. Pray about it. Ask God for direction. Ask God for clarity. Ask God for the capacity to see it through, the capacity to keep it moving, to keep it functional, to keep it flowing. And then just have faith, crazy faith, that everything will work out. Even when something happens, your tire blow out on your car, or you lose your job. I don't know. It don't matter what it is. Have crazy faith, like delusional faith, that everything is gonna work out, because it is. And you can't just have faith. You have to put in the work. I worked hard to get where I am. And this is just a reminder that now I need to work harder to get to my next goals. I have to work harder to get to my next goals. And this right here is a reminder. Every time I'm slacking, you ain't working as hard like you worked in 2016. You're not outworking your younger self. You're not outworking your younger self. I do a lot of things. I have a lot of stuff going on in my life, but I ain't working as hard as I was working back then. And that's my reminder to myself is now you have new goals, and those goals require the 2016 me. I ate. Stay encouraged. Until next time.